Alright, y'all, we back at it doing some testing. Got Maddie, Brian, Dan over there.
Oh, I called all the way out to New York. I posted mine. He posted the other day. I ordered.
That's a fucking run, Maddie.
Yeah. I don't even know. I didn't check the phone. That's next. I know that's what I need.
Spun out. Woo! You have to come down, Brian. There you go.
That mine's 100.
Ooh. Gotta come up a little. Now we talking. Now we talking.
That was a nice pass. Oh, it's raining. No rain. I like the look of these little bugs.
Yeah.
There you go. That's a pass.
It needs more. Thing was screeching tires up. Drove that, bro. Nice one.
Have a lap 3 that's still pretty white.
See how it took up?
I was doing that. I didn't give a fuck. All over the place. Jesus Christ! Yeah. Crazy shit. On the light. Hell yeah. Damn. So fucking shit. Right on my desk. I always said, oh, that's gonna be the body I buy for sure. Yep. That was a pass.
You got me that one. Oh, I took it, it came back? That's crazy.
Whipping hard or something.
Yes, it definitely is.
Sounds like it's winding hard too. So all we really need.
Now she clean the car. Oh, let's make sure her husband car clean. Come out soft, hopefully.
I almost took that system out. Dude, that wall is like daunting. Your shit leaves hard too. Oh, get it again. Oh!
No, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. No. Come on, bro. That's the last thing you gotta worry.
You want it back?
Yeah, give me it.
Now we're gonna get somewhere and you're gonna be like, I know you said you can slide it in.
What you need? Motor, speed control, what you need? Come on.
Ooh. What the hell?
What in the fuck? Look, you should be getting a video.
Go China, papi, everything. No problem for me.
A lot? He always breaks, man. When
Yep. That was a run. Yeah, you could tell you took it. I'll let off, yeah.
Broken.
No way.
Scott gotta have something.